Master the menu. Know every dish and drink, ingredients, preparation, flavors, and possible allergens. Be able to suggest items based on guests' preferences. Greet guests warmly. Smile genuinely. Make eye contact. Greet the guest according to time, like good morning or good afternoon or good evening, and welcome them to the restaurant. Listen attentively. Let guests speak without interrupting. Write down orders with date and time. Repeat the order to confirm accuracy. Be fast and efficient. Always check tables and anticipate needs, refills, condiments, clearing plates. Communicate clearly with the kitchen and bar. Practice good hygiene and appearance. Clean uniform, trimmed nails, and no strong scents. Wash hands regularly. Stay calm under pressure. Keep yourself cool during busy times. Handle complaints politely and professionally.
Upsell Naturally suggests appetizers, drinks at the beginning of the meal and digestive, desserts or tea coffee at the end of the meal. Example: would you like to start your meal with our signature cocktail tonight? Would you like to try our chocolate lava cake with scoop of vanilla ice cream? Teamwork is key. Help coworkers when needed. Communicate with kitchen staff and fellow servers. Say thank you for joining with us. Hope to see you soon again. Keep learning. Watch experienced servers. Ask the feedback from the guest. Learn from every mistake.